Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to talk about diabetes and blood sugar. Now one of the most important factors for overall wellness of the body is to maintain normal blood sugar, which is very important. So whenever we consume food, the food gets converted into glucose, and in response to glucose our pancreas release a hormone called insulin. Now this insulin will attach on the surface of your cell so that your cells will open up and absorb the glucose. But when you consume sugars or simple carbs, they generally spike your blood sugar. But with the release of insulin, you can control excess blood sugar. That's what happens in a normal person. But when it comes to a diabetic patient, it's very hard to control excess blood sugar. So most of you must have heard about type 1 and type 2 diabetes. So let's understand what type 1 is. Type 1 diabetes is a condition wherein the pancreas no longer produce insulin, and when there is no insulin, the blood sugar levels spike. So a type 1 diabetic person should take insulin injections to control blood sugar levels. If insulin injections are not taken, that will actually mess up the blood sugar levels and lead to so many other complications. And type 2 diabetes is a condition wherein the pancreas, they produce very less insulin, basically not enough insulin, and the cells also don't respond to insulin, which is called insulin resistance. I'll discuss about it in detail. So the problem is when you have chronic high blood sugar levels, that will actually lead to so many complications, like it damages your nerves, it creates cravings for carbohydrates and sugar, that leads to overeating and also leads to obesity. These are some of the consequences of diabetes. So when it comes to insulin resistance, in this condition the cells resist insulin. In a normal cell, the cells will actually open up and absorb glucose, but in an insulin resistance condition, the cells will resist insulin and the glucose remains in the blood, that will actually spike your blood sugar. So insulin resistance will actually lead to a condition called prediabetes. Now prediabetes is a condition wherein when you display high blood sugar levels frequently, higher than normal, that's called prediabetes. And if you don't maintain normal blood sugar levels, that will actually lead to a condition called type 2 diabetes in the long run. So it's very important to maintain normal blood sugar levels so that we can avoid all these complications. So I'll also be talking about all these conditions in detail, how to manage blood sugar levels and how to reverse them in my upcoming videos. So far, hope this was informative. Thanks for watching.